Hello, Namaste. As we know that it's really a tough time and which has forced all of us to move digital. I know we cannot reach out personally at this moment of time, but we can surely connect via digital medium. And I, Swapnil Atre, would take the advantage of the visual medium to reach out to the potential employers. Hailing from Dahod, Gujarat, I am currently in my final semester of electrical engineering from Government Engineering College, Dahod, and shall be ready for the corporate world by August 2020. As being a technical student, I would like to give a brief about the project that I was indulged into. As belonging from a peri-urban area, I have observed a problem of power cut in a most regular manner. And to solve this, I thought of why not to switch to a continuous power supply which uses various power generating sources and which can be programmed so that they could work automatically in a most synchronized manner. As belonging from a breed of engineers, it gave me the compulsion of analyzing the things in the most unique and conventional manner. And so I would not limit myself to just technical field, as I need to explore a lot of areas. So I am open to marketing, especially the engineering goods, as my aim is to become a leading techno-commercial professional. I would also like to know you about the passion that I have of grooming the young ones of India. As being a tutor from last 4 years of physics and biology, I came down to a conclusion that learn to conceptualize. Repetition may lead to cramming. And so, to solve this notion of the students, I have made various efforts, and by time they have turned out to be fruitful. And so, I would also share that in my campus, I was organizing various key events and doing all this activity and going through all this activity. I have acquired a lot of traits like my communication skills, my adaptability, my emotional quotient, my punctuality, and my leadership quality. I would definitely love to talk to you either on phone call or on Skype. My details are displayed on the screen.